Oh, good morning, guys. It snowed locally, so I'm out and I'm going to get an image I've been waiting for about 2 years, and it's local to me. It's one of my quests to photograph, and I've decided I could have walked here, but I decided to drive because of my knees. I wish I'd have walked now because the traffic's horrendous. Luckily, I'm in my four-wheel drive, so that's not too bad. So we're just making our way over the fields, and I'm going to capture my lone tree of the common in the snow. And I can already see it from here, and it looks beautiful. I could probably actually photograph it from here, but I'm going to get a little bit closer and get a bit further down into the sort of the valley of the two fields, and I'm going to photograph it from there first. If that doesn't work, I'm going to walk back up, photograph it from about this area. But it looks, what a winter's morning. And then I think I'm going to head to another location, get an image. This should be quite an easy shot actually, besides the actual weather. Now I'm just thinking I'm going to use my long lens for 2 reasons. One, it'll create that atmosphere, and 2, got a big lens rod, so it will protect it from the snow. I just wish I'd have thought about that before I got my bag out and changed it in the car. Never mind. Okay, we're nearly there already. How exciting is this? Ooh. Move quick because it's cold. It is brutally cold. Like I say, I've shot this so many times before, in all different weathers, not in the snow. And I've actually there's a couple of trees that are really interesting because of this snow. Wow, what a morning. Oh, now luckily I should have been working this morning, but I couldn't because of the snow. But what I can do is this. Can't believe it, I've already got my long lens on. What a result that is. Okay, so let's get an image. Where are we? All we've got is white out at the minute. Okay, here we go. Now, it's obviously quite difficult to see. I've got snow all over my glasses. And the tree is so isolated. I'm wondering whether it's actually going to focus on it. It is. I'm going to go 5-second timer because I'm quite deep into the image. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, let's have a look at that. Oh. You know what, I can't even see if it's sharp or not, to be honest. The reason why I can't see it sharp enough is because I can't see it. Do I want to capture this snow coming down? So I might want a quicker shutter speed, because that would look unbelievable. Now to get that, I need to drop it down to about f6.3, which is giving me then 1/100th of a second shutter speed. So I'm gonna we'll try that. And then I am going to come out wider as well, because at the moment I'm quite close. So we'll just have a look at that. That is phenomenal. It's absolutely phenomenal, because what I'm worried about is the focus of the tree. I'm going to have to manually focus, I think. Let's try that if I can see. My problem is seeing the image, seeing the subject. So let's see if we can. Okay, I'm going to do that. I've set it, manually set it to focus on the tree. This could be one of my best images. Because we're so far away, we're getting all that snow in it. From front to back of snow coming down. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm thinking I'm going to go ISO. I'm going to get a faster shutter speed to capture this snow even more. Yeah, so I'm trying that quicker shutter speed. It's very difficult. It's actually, the conditions are very difficult to shoot in. But I'm just hoping I'm doing the right thing. Let's have a look at this image again. I'll keep checking the focus, because I honestly can't see it. It looks great on camera. And like I say, one of the reasons why I can't see if it's in focus, because all this depth of snow in between the camera and the actual tree that I'm taking. And it looks as if it's out of focus, but it's just all this snow coming across it. Oh, this is amazing. And my glasses are absolutely, I can't see out of them, as you can see. interesting. Areas I've got nothing but this time, and I just that's the truth. That's it.